Hey family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Mpho. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys yet another opportunity to start making money online with this website. It's quite similar to some of the websites that I've spoken about in my previous videos. I'm going to leave the link for those videos down on the description box so that you guys can check them out. Now, without wasting any more time, if you're new to the channel or happen to be in this video for the first time, welcome and thank you for watching. I share content on how to make money online, and if this is the type of content you are looking for, then you are in the right place. Please do consider joining the family by hitting the subscribe button, not forgetting the notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, YouTube can notify you. With that being said, let's just dive into today's.
So yes, guys, this is the website that we're going to be looking at. It's called Taskverse. So here it says complete paid task from anywhere in the world. Become a tasker to qualify for paid task today. Before we go over the sign up process, we're simply going to go through the page and see what Taskverse is all about. So here they explain what is Taskverse all about. You can simply come here and read more details on that. They also have a video that explains everything in more details. Why would you want to be part of Taskverse? Firstly, it's because most of their projects are flexible and remote. You can complete them anywhere, anytime. Secondly, it's because they pay fairly. Once your task has been approved, a task that you have completed has been approved, you're going to get paid automatically into your Taskverse account. The third reason you might want to be part of this platform is because they've got meaningful projects. Most of their projects are with innovative companies from various industries that are looking to improve AI. So those are some of the exciting things you might want to be, or those are some of the exciting reasons you might want to be part of this platform. So this is how it works. You need to sign up for a Taskverse account and then verify your account so that your account can be active. And then you're going to fill out your profile so that you can qualify for projects. After filling out your profile, you're going to pick and complete a task on their website. After you have completed that, once your task has been approved, you're going to get paid into your Taskverse account. So your withdrawal can either be through PayPal, which is their only payout option, right? So you need to have a PayPal account, a verified PayPal account, so that you can withdraw your money. So as we scroll down, these are some of the tasks that you're going to be completing on this website. Firstly, you can do things like digital customer experience, AI data labeling. You can also do annotation, record speech, tech word, transcribe audio, and many more. So for you to get started, you simply come to the top of the page to where it says sign up. You can either choose to sign up with a Gmail account, your Apple account, or you can manually put in your details, which is your email address, your password. Confirm your password and click the terms and condition and click on the sign up button right here. But because I'm already a member, I'm simply going to log into my account so that I can show you guys how it looks like once you inside. So after signing up, I am then directed to a page like this one. As you can see, it says welcome back, Mpho. It says continue where you left off. I have already completed this project though. So this is the project that's currently available on their website. It is the only project that's currently available on their website. It's called Action Photo, where you can earn up to $20 for 10 images. This project is looking to advance AI visual recognition. So I'm quickly going to go over the requirements with you guys. So this is the requirements section. Before you can get started with the project, they're going to present you with an English assessment test. It is quite simple and I believe anyone can pass this test, but I don't know what happens if you don't pass this test. I've already completed the project. As you can see, my process is 100%. My status is still under review. So I'm just waiting for them to review the pictures that I've sent. So please take note that each image equals to $2. So 2 times 10 equals to 20, right? So this is what you should take into consideration. Here they say task details. You will be uploading and submitting 10 images of yourself. In these images, you must perform the different activities indicated in the task. You can use images that you have taken in the past. that are existing in your camera roll. If you don't have them, you can always take a picture of yourself doing these different tasks, right? And then for the payment, it says $20 for submitting 10 approved images, right? And then if you have a minimum of 4 approved images, the payment amount will be adjusted proportional based on the number of approved images submitted, right? So if it happens that you only have 4 approved images, that means you're not going to get paid $20. Instead, you're going to get paid $8, which is 2468, because each image equals to $2, right? Sorry. So the time needed is 60 to 90 minutes. I took about 3 days to complete this task. So you don't have to complete the whole task in one day. You can just choose to complete task in different days. So these are some of the other requirements that you can take into consideration. The first one says all images all images must have you in the picture and you must be fully visible. So it mustn't be a selfie, it mustn't be a picture that's taken through a mirror, because it's also considered as a selfie. And then here it says all images must be taken with a device that can capture 8 megapixel images and was released in the year 2011 or later, right? And then if your device is older than 2011, maybe your device is from 2010, I don't think they will approve you because of the megapixel of your pictures. And then here it says you should be fully visible, no selfies, and no pictures taken using a mirror will be accepted. So please take that into consideration. You will get the link for this particular task down on the description box so that you guys can get started. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, kindly give it a like and also share it with people that are looking to make money online. Also, leave a comment down in the comment section if you didn't understand anything or if you simply appreciate the content that I'm sharing with you guys. Until the next video, take care.